Hola! In this lesson, we're going to cover the artículo indeterminado, indefinite article in English. The artículo indeterminado are words that we put before a noun and we use them to introduce that noun for the first time. The artículo indeterminado has to match as well with the noun in gender and number. For masculine singular, masculino singular, we use un. For masculine plural, masculino plural, we use unos. For feminine singular, femenino singular, we use una. And for feminine plural, we use unas. Una in English would be a, and unos, unas in English would be some. Some examples of that. Masculine singular, masculino singular, un coche, a car. Masculine plural, masculino plural, unos coches, some cars. Feminine singular, femenino singular, una flor, a flower. And feminine plural, femenino plural, unas flores, some flowers.